Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So if you are a new visitor to our channel, consider subscribing and do activate bell icon for further updates. Okay. So in this video we are discussing about this problem. So the problem is cosecant 780 degrees. So it is a very easy one. So most of us feel difficult. We don't know the exact techniques and all. So that's why we feel difficult. So let's solve this easily. So consider 780 in like 2 into 360 plus 60. So whenever you came across a multiple of 360, just ignore that. That is the basic simple point. Okay. So whenever you are finding a 360-degree multiples, you can easily ignore that. So that's what I'm writing. When angle is above 360, multiply and it will be a multiple of 360, we can directly ignore. Then we do left with 60 degrees. So directly we can take cosecant. That means directly we can take 60 degree as our value. Okay. So cosecant of 780 is nothing but cosecant of 60 degree. So if you know the value of cosecant of 60 degree, solving this problem is simple. Okay. So the answer is going to be 2 by root 3. I hope you like this video presentation. Give thumbs up to this video and share this valuable information to your friend circle. Thanks for watching. Thank you.